दिल्ली की पूनम गर्ग ने मिसेज इंडिया क्वीन ऑफ सब्सटेंस शो में द अचीवर 2024 का टाइटल जीता। जी हां, आपको बता दें कि पूनम इन दिनों फैशन इंडस्ट्री में भी आगे बढ़ रही है। वहीं हम आपको बता दें कि ओम क्रिएशन कंपनी की संस्थापक और मालिक के रूप में कोलकाता में जन्मी पूनम की यात्रा दिल्ली के सामाजिक और व्यावसायिक क्षेत्र में एक प्रमुख हस्ती बनने तक प्रेरणादायक रही है।
नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली न्यूज़ एक्सप्रेस में। मैं हूं आपके साथ जितेश अनेजा। इस वक्त हमारे साथ खास बातचीत करने के लिए मौजूद है दिल्ली के रोहिणी क्षेत्र में रहने वाली पूनम, जिन्होंने हाल ही में ब्यूटी प्रतियोगिता में भाग लिया और अपनी मेहनत से कामयाबी को भी हासिल किया। चलिए सीधी बात करते हैं इनसे, क्या कुछ कहती है प्रतियोगिता के लिए, कौन सा खिताब इन्होंने जीता, किस प्रतियोगिता में इन्होंने भाग लिया, वो इनसे खास बातचीत करती है। पूनम जी, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका दिल्ली न्यूज़ एक्सप्रेस में।
नमस्कार
जी पूनम जी, मैं बात करूं हाल ही में आपने जिस ब्यूटी प्रतियोगिता में भाग लिया उसको लेके क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? कौन सा शो था, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और कौन सा खिताब आपने जीता?
मैंने अभी दिल्ली में पार्टिसिपेट किया था मिसेस इंडिया क्वीन ऑफ सब्सटेंस में, और उसके अंदर मुझे मिला द अचीवर 2024 का अवार्ड। और उन्होंने मुझे मतलब जो हमारा पूरा जर्नी था, द डे आई हैव रजिस्टर्ड माई सेल्फ फॉर दैट, फ्रॉम देम टू the time I have received the award, the whole journey was very 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 good, fantabulous, and actually I enjoyed the journey. It was hectic, but it was also the enjoyable journey. Even it was full of learning. I have got very good mentors over there who has taught me many things, such as Dr. Sagar from Mumbai, like Dr. Sagar from Mumbai, then Rita ma'am was there, Rita Gaganani, and even Ritika ma'am, and even Sudarshan sir was there, Vishal sir was there. Everybody was so good mentors, and they have taught us a lot, and I even have got many good friends over there as my co-contestants. And the journey was fully excited, and the feeling of walking on the ramp was so good. It was just like a queen.
पूनम जी, 3 से 4 दिन तक चली इस प्रतियोगिता में कंपटीशन कितना टफ रहा, कितने राउंड से आपको गुजरना पड़ा, और जब आपको वो टाइटल मिला उस वक्त का मोमेंट कैसा रहा आपके लिए?
एक्चुअली ये प्रतियोगिता, इट वॉज नॉट for 3 to 4 days, it was almost for a month, because when we got registered, when we got in the finalist, when we were selected as a finalist, after that we have to do the registration, and after registration the journey started. We have to do the task from our end, and we have to submit it online. So the task was started from there only, the time we have got in the finalist list. So we have started the task from that day only, and it was very good. It was very exciting and a new experience which I have got over there. And they have judged us from the day we have got registered as a finalist. From that day they are starting judging us with our each and every task, and there were many rounds which we have gone through during our period we were spending at our home. And later when we visited over there for 3 days and 3 to 4 days, over there also many rounds were there, like talent round, then sports round. In this way there were many rounds, and we have to perform in different way in different rounds, and it was all very different. And our co-contestants which were together with us, everybody was with different talents, and all the hidden talents from everybody was coming out over there with the different rounds. And we can see that our Indian women has so much talent which are hidden, and they are giving us this platform where which we can show our talents. We can find our own talents which we even don't know that we have it.
जी पूनम जी, हमने देखा कि देश विदेश के अलग अलग कोनों से महिलाओं ने इस प्रतियोगिता में भाग लिया था, और उन सब के बीच आपने कामयाबी को हासिल किया। जो वो बाकी महिलाएं थी, उनके साथ आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? कुछ नए दोस्त मिले होंगे, कुछ नया फील्ड आपको जानने को मिला होगा।
हाँ जी, बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था। या देयर वेयर कंटेस्टेंट्स फ्रॉम इंडिया एंड इवन आउटसाइड इंडिया, सो एवरीबडी वेयर वेरी गुड and very friendly. And the best thing I found was that when we went over there on 8th of August, we were total 26 contestants over there, but out of 26 only I was the person to whom everybody knew by face and by name. I was surprised and shocked to see that I was known by face and name with everyone, but other 25 was not known to each other by face or by name, but everybody was means talking to me by taking my name. Then I was also shocked when 3-4 contestants do that. I didn't got surprised, but everybody was doing this. Then I asked them that how you people all know me by my name and face as we are meeting for the first time. This was the really great experience that everybody was everybody knew me before I went over there. So I asked them the reason. So they told me the way you were participating in the online sessions and the way you were doing your work, and along with that you were attending the sessions, the multitask which you were doing, we were very much appreciated by that, and that's why your image was set in our mind. And you was the person who was having all the informations related to peasant and everything. If anybody has any doubt, they can come to you and ask you. So that's why your name and your face is recommendable by everyone. So this was also one of the achievement which I have got on the day one when I went over there with my co-contestants. So that was really a very good experience, and I thank God that he has given me such talents that everybody is impressed by that, and I'm able to make my place, my identity with my work, not with anybody reference.
चलिए, क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इतनी बड़ी प्रतियोगिता के पीछे जिनका हाथ है, इनके ऑर्गेनाइजर को लेके?
They were very good, very supportive. Ritika ma'am, Vinay sir, all were very supportive and very cooperative, and they were guiding us very nicely throughout the peasant journey, from the day one till the day we have achieved the award. And the one, according to them, those who are the finalists, they were already the queen, because they have selected 26 participants from so many of them. So we were already got our first achievement that we have got to the finalist round, and then over there we have spent our journey together for 3 to 4 days, and we have experienced different things, and they have supported us in each and every way, and they have guided us in a best way. Even they have provided us the best mentors to guide us over there. And I like the BMW session of Mrs. Rita Gagwani, and I will never forget that session in my whole life. Even Dr. Sagar has given us the very good informations regarding our dental health, and that was also very useful. I shared it with my kids also after coming over here. And Dr. Sudarshan, he also Dr. Sudarshan, not sorry, it's not Dr. Sudarshan sir, he also given us so much good advice, and I tried my best to be the real of me over there, not the real, because I believe the real is the best thing which you can show yourself when you are participating in such a pageant or in your actual life. And I don't want to be a real anywhere. I want to be real Poonam everywhere. And with this only, with real Poonam only, I have started my journey from my childhood, and till now I am getting all the success with the real Poonam and not the real Poonam.
जी, चलिए पूनम जी, अब मैं बात करूँ आपकी पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ को लेके। जहाँ तक हमें पता चला है कि इसके अलावा भी आपने कई सफलता को हासिल किया है और अलग अलग क्षेत्र में भी आपने काम किया है। अब मैं उसको लेके बात करूँगा, उसके लिए आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
हाँ जी, my parents have supported me all the time. From my childhood, they have motivated me to go to every field, and this lead me to the all-rounder achievement. And I have learned swimming. I was a swimmer. I was a skater. Even I can dance now also with skates. And even I am an acupressure therapist, and even I have got many awards and certificates for that also. I am an artist. I have got the medal from Delhi UCBC board when I was in school to Kolkata. And even I am a dancer, and dance is my passion. So from childhood I used to dance, and even I used to learn by seeing the dances, not only by learning from teachers. and the Blooming Bird has played a very vast role in my this all-rounder achievements, because over there that was an institute in Kolkata where I have learned many things like art, dance, and Bharatanatyam, creative dance, then break dance. This all I have learned in Blooming Bird, and I will never forget the Blooming Bird Institute because it helped me a lot, and they have given us the platform from my childhood. And that was the reason that I was not scared with the platforms, because I don't have a stage fear, because was doing this from my childhood. Even I am an event organizer. I'm a successful entrepreneur with the firm name Om Creation, which I have established my own without the help of anybody. I have established it, and my parents were always the supportive pillar for me. Even my Guruji, she has taught me such lessons which I continue with my life, and I always follow that, which help me to reach up to the highest level I can.
पूनम जी, एक महिला होने के बावजूद भी आपने अपनी ज़िंदगी में काफ़ी सफलता को हासिल किया है, और आज आप उस मुकाम पे हो जहाँ पे पहुँचना कोई आसान बात नहीं। तो इन सब के बाद अब आप बाकी महिलाओं के लिए क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
I just want to inspire everybody with my journey that the woman's life doesn't end with the marriage and the kids. They have much more to do. They can live for their dreams along with the responsibilities they have. Even I have 2 small kids, and it's very difficult to settle the business again in a new city, new place with new peoples around, having the small kid with you. So but I have taken this challenge positively, and I have done it. So in the same manner, every woman can do it, and every woman, not everybody can do it. They can find out their inner talents, and they can live for their dreams along with their responsibilities if they want to, because I believe that impossible itself is possible. So if you try your best, you can achieve it.
जी, थैंक यू सो मच पूनम जी, हमसे खास बातचीत करने के लिए और अपनी जर्नी, अपनी सफलता और अपने एक्सपीरियंस को शेयर करने के लिए। और हम आशा करते हैं कि इस इंटरव्यू के बाद उन महिलाओं में भी एक उम्मीद आएगी जो महिलाएं कुछ बनने का सपना देखती हैं, और आपसे काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को उनको मिलेगा।
मैं उनको ये भी बोलना चाहूँगी दैट आई फॉलो 3 P's इन माई लाइफ विच हेल्प मी टू कम आउट विथ every struggle, every problem which is coming in front of me, or every challenges which is coming in front of me. That 3 P's are positive thinking, patience, and perfect planning. These 3 P's help me to come out with every challenges which I get in my life. And I think we can set an example for our kids also by doing all this, and by achieving all the success, because they will see you and they will learn that how we can manage everything all together with a very very fine manner and get a success also.
जी, धन्यवाद पूनम जी, हमको अपना समय देने के लिए और अपने बारे में इतना कुछ बताने के लिए, और बाकी लोगों के लिए, बाकी महिलाओं के लिए संदेश को देने के लिए।
I'm grateful to Delhi Express and to the media also for having this interview and for giving their precious time to me.
जी, थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
आप सभी से ये संदेश है कि अपने हौसलों को ये ना बताओ कि मुसीबतें कितनी बड़ी है, बल्कि अपनी मुसीबतों को ये बताओ कि आपके हौसले कितने बड़े हैं। धन्यवाद।